Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report on Thursday the 8th of January with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets. Let's have a look at euro dollar now, and the euro is hanging on to 118 big figure by its fingernails. However, you would certainly say that the outlook on the euro remains incredibly weak. We've had just a consistent bout of selling pressure throughout the first few days of 2015. That's no sign really of stopping yet either. You look at this this momentum as well, it's just incredibly weak. You've got RSI at 21 throughout September and October. The RSI through that big sell-off that we had, if I just zoom out slightly there, big sell-off through September and into October, RSI was down below 20, but this is still historically pretty stretched to the downside, and to be honest, it's probably not too far away from finding a bit of a technical rally, and certainly there'll be traders out there, I'd imagine, certainly on the contrarian side, looking out for a bit of a technical rally to come through on the euro at some stage in the coming days. It's just a matter of when it really happens, but at the moment it's not really being seen yet. We had a low of 118 big figure yesterday. That's slightly been breached. 117.90 was the low in the last hour or so, but slight element of support. But to be honest, now we've broken through that, this is back on the daily chart, now we've broken through that $1.1875 low, which takes us to the lowest level since 2005, so a 9-year low on this chart. And we've actually also broken below the 2006 low, which was 118.23. So all these lows keep getting taken out. That now the next level that we need to look out for is $1.1640. So to be honest, there's not a great deal of support you can really hang your hat on, but certainly I think at the moment the momentum is with the sellings, is with the bears, and it looks like further downside will be seen. But as a stress, at some stage you can imagine that once, if I just cite this this sell-off that we had through August and September, there was a level at which the RSI got to 20. Ultimately, the first time it got to in early September, it got to sort of 16 sort of area, and then consolidated, and then it started to accelerate away again. But then the second time when it got to 20, you had a fairly sizable rally. Actually, you had from 25 figure up towards 28.80, so almost 390 pips there to the upside. So we need to bear in mind that this the euro isn't going to go in one direction forever, and certainly at some stage there will be a technical rally, and I don't imagine it's going to be too far off. So we need to start thinking about that and factoring that in, whether you're going to chase this one lower or you're going to start to think that there could well be a rally. So we need to start looking out for some signals. Now, we're not getting any signals yet. Certainly this is on the intraday hourly chart. There's no real suggestion that of any rally. The rebounds that we get are still in the sort of 50 to 100 pip sort of range before the selling pressure comes in, but we need to start looking out for some key levels. The first initial key level on the upside is 18.96, so around about 119 big figure. Again, that would be around about 100 pips from where we're looking at the moment. But the key resistance, I think, near term is now this 119.76. If we started seeing a move above that, we could see a bit of a rebound. But certainly at the moment, that resistance band between 119 and 119.76 is the key resistance area. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.